Guys, my name is Miriam Ward and I'm a Galway-born actress. I started working at 16 with the Druid Theatre Company. Since then I've been acting, singing, studying and teaching. I finished my HDip in Griffith College where I completed a HDip in Arts and Drama Teaching. I love teaching, I love working with kids of all abilities. Personally, I feel I have a huge contribution to the drama world with kids. I feel that I can bring them on a journey with me to fictional worlds, get them to learn empathy and feeling and development, but that's probably as much as I can really talk about it at the moment. But I love kids, I love having fun with them. You know, that's the really most important thing, is that we have fun through media or other stimuluses, no matter what. So I'm here in Poland, in Warsaw, for the next week, doing some singing and learning some more teaching skills. So I know it's just about time, but I just said I'd give you a quick view of Warsaw City before I let you go and bring you on a little journey too. Thanks for watching.